Hello, I'm Arash, and in this course I'm going to teach you how to create an onboarding for your iOS app. As you can see, we are going to make this beautiful and modern onboarding for iOS apps. As a developer, you need to know that mobile users need an immediate sense of value when taking their first glance at a new app, so it is essential to know how to do that. With using a professional onboarding in your app, you can engage your user's experience, and if you want to make a user-friendly app, I really suggest using an onboarding in your app, and this will allow users to never remove your app. Nowadays, most of the popular apps are using an onboarding in their apps, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. At the end of this course, you will learn how to create an advanced onboarding for an iOS app, so please do not miss your chance. I have no doubt that you will love this course, so we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and you can sign up today with zero risk. I would like to mention that I will add new contents to this course each month without additional charge. Last but not least, I always help you with your problems as quickly as possible, so I hope you could enjoy this course.